I'm going to review Insure token for you today, guys, but before I get in, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, just for educational purposes only. So let's get straight in. So this is a DeFi NFT metaverse insurance ecosystem with staking power. It's over on insuretoken.net, all right? It's completely transparent, 100% verifiable, and community-led. I'm going to show you exactly how to buy them in just a second. But what I want to do is play this video for you, okay, to show you exactly what Insure DeFi is.
Right now, the decentralized crypto world truly is a Wild West space.
True.
In last years, multi-billion dollars worth of tokens have been stolen, hacked, or exploited from various DeFi ecosystems and centralized exchanges. And as wealth continues to flow into Web3 and digital assets, we expect this value to continue rising in the future. Introducing Sure. Sure solves this whale of a problem via its simple utility protocol, Insure DeFi. Protection, cover, peace of mind. A 100% community-governed, decentralized, autonomous, organization-based insurance ecosystem.
So guys, you start to see how this actually works now, okay? So what you do is acquire some Sure tokens. In order to insure your crypto portfolio, you simply need to purchase and acquire Sure tokens from available exchanges. It'll be enabled after 7 days of contributing Sure to the community vault. And please, please refrain from storing your Sure token on centralized exchanges. In order to process the insurance claim, you'll need to create a proposal and a snapshot. They're offering the best insurance for crypto portfolios in all of the lands, all right? There's loads of different packages that you can get involved in, all right? You just got to read through what you want, okay? So the insurance covers up to $1,000, 8% for scammers, 70% devaluation. Choose the one you want and buy the Sure, okay? If you're insuring DeFi's value proposition, you got the dynamic premium pricing and liquidity pools, the DeFi NFT metaverse and crypto portfolio insurance, the Insure DAO voting support and transparency. Guys, have a look at some of the media on Coinbase, on Cointelegraph, Cryptofolix, things like that, and some of their tweets. Now, if you want to buy it, okay, just simply buy the Sure token to get 24% APR in Sure right now. You can buy it on Uniswap, PancakeSwap, QuickSwap, or Trader Joe, whichever one you want to do. And once you've done that, you can either enable insurance or stake on the DEXs. Guys, it's super easy, right? You can also change these other cryptos on the following exchanges, all right? Stex, Binance, Binance, Coinbase, 1inch, QuickSwap, Uniswap, PancakeSwap. The price right now is at 0.007 of a dollar. Okay, it's ranked 228 with a total market cap of 190 plus million with a volume of 2.58 million. Contract address, please make sure you only connect on this website and get the correct contract addresses, guys, but that's how you can get involved. Now, some of the wallets, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Mist, Ledger, MyETH, Crypto.com, all right? Some of the biggest wallets in the world you can connect on here as well. There you go. Do me a massive favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you on the next video.